It's so nice to drive. Good morning. It's nice and early. And yes, I'm in the Porsche 986 Boxster. Why? Well, today it's going to be a beautiful day. Especially for February. And so I thought, well, let's take the Boxster to work. So it's going to be 17 to 20 degrees Celsius. So maybe I can even drive with the top off when I'm going home this evening. But first, it's time for some 98. The smell of dead dinos. There's nothing better in the morning. Just got on the highway. I have to do a 1 hour drive from east to west. And so we're going to see how this car is behaving on this ride. And why? Well, this is the first time for me since I built this car that I'm taking it on quite a long drive. Just see what happens, and first of all, enjoying the ride. Almost halfway the journey. The car is doing really good. The temps are good. It drives nice. Really nice actually. But yeah, you may or you may know my daily driver is a Ram 1500. And so I feel so small on the highway right now. When other people are driving past me, and the big trucks, when I pass them, I feel so small. Overall, this car feels really small. It's like it's wrapped around you, just like a small, like a tailored suit. It wraps around you. It just fits right. Very nice, and a very nice drive. So this is my view from a lorry. Or a truck. Or how we call them in the Netherlands, vrachtwagen. Yep. So I'm going to drive the other half, and I will check back in with you when we are leaving the highway. So that's the exit I need. I'm almost at my job, and yeah, the car did really well. It was a very pleasant drive. We're driving home again. So I'm on my way back to home, and I pulled off the highway because, well, it is a really nice car to drive, but it's not about the highway. It's not pointlessly driving from A to B with this car. This car needs to have a B road, just like this, in the forest. This is the thing that makes it so fun to drive, so good to drive, because you're switching gears, you're really driving the car. And on the highway it's nice, a little bit loud, but nice. But it's not, it's not fun. Although it's a really fun car to drive, but it's not fun to drive from point A to B in a straight line. So as you can see, I have to top off. It's quite warm, nice, and yeah, I'll be honest, you guys, I really needed this weather. I really needed it. So this is the first day of the year that it's warm-ish. That's nice outside. The sun is shining. The skies are blue. I'm in my Porsche 986 Boxster with the heater on. But yeah, man, this is the life. This is why you drive these cars. Top off, nice warm day, B roads. Yep, this is it. And I also hope you guys understand what I'm saying and the wind isn't too much. Although it's not that easy to understand me because my English isn't that good. Oh, another one. Newer model. But we spotted another car. Oh, and that's a 944. So nice. So freaking nice. Just what I said. Yeah. This is it. I can really see why people love this car so much. So we're in a city center right now, but soon we will be back into the forest. And we're back in the forest, just a little bit, or it's a small forest on this side. But the best thing is, you even smell the forest when you're driving here. So good. So for the people that don't know, the rear bumper of this car was a little bit damaged because I let it slide out of my hands onto the pavement, and there were some really ugly scratches on it. So the rear bumper is freshly painted, and I will show you right now how it looks like right now. And from the forest and from the forest air and smell to the farmlands and the farm smell. I mean, cow shit or horse shit. But the view is very, very nice. Oh, there are some military men. Nice, keep it up, guys. But yeah, I can't get enough of this car right now. It's so nice. It's so nice to drive. It really is so nice. But yeah, I think that's it. Maybe I will show you something from that camera over there. But otherwise, see you in the next one. Okay, one more pull. So nice. Okay guys, see you in the next one. Doei doei.
Staying strong, need to move on to be what I want.